back to my channel. We're learning with fun with Jenny. That's me. Today we're gonna do a fun science experiment. Since it's almost Valentine's Day, we're gonna make ours pretty with hearts. But you can do it for any day. Did you know your drawings can come to life? All you need is dry erase markers, a glass plate, and some cold water, and a straw. Dry erase markers have special ingredients that makes them lighter than water. When you pour water on dry erase markers, it makes it float. Your drawings will feel like they're in a swimming pool. Let me show you guys how it works. Pick any colors that you want. I'm going to be using these colors. So what you do, grab what other color you want and draw some pretty little hearts. Whatever you draw, you have to make sure it's nice and dark. Instead of hearts, you can also draw stick people. When you're done, kids, it's kind of gonna look like this. Next, it's time for the magic. You want to pour in the water real slow. I'm gonna have my mom help me. Now that our drawings have popped out, now we can play with it with the straw. Science is about asking questions and trying new things. Next, I'm going to try to draw Happy Valentine's Day, and the next, I'm going to try to draw a stick figure. Now I'm going to try SpongeBob. My dad drew it for me. Look, it's a floating eyeball! Thank you, kids, for watching my channel today. Remember to give me a thumbs up and a thumbs down, because people love thumbs up. And if you miss any videos, click the bell. Bye, kids!